guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, if it is your first time here, hey guys, good morning. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drums. That aside, today's video is all about how you can style your look, whether short or long, how you can style braid, whether short or long, just nail them, okay? And that you cover, so make sure you watch the videos to the very end so that you don't miss out on them. But last thing guys, I'll be sharing with you guys, okay? So what you need for this particular style is just something easy, something to hold your hair and just a mirror to look at yourself, see what you are doing. So as we get into that, please make sure that you do like this video, share it out there. You can always talk to me in the comment section, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on these series that you're planning to do. How to style your braid, how to style your velo, how to do the bandana, how to get it clear, building clean, and all those secrets are for you. Okay? So anyways, let's dive into these. If you're actually feeling that your dreadlocks or your rastas braids are giving you a hard time, this is the place to be. So let's kick start off by holding. I will take the hair on this side and then this other side. You can choose to remove with some at the back. Okay. So my hair is super long, but I'm telling you the impact and the results of this style, it's going to be the same whether it's yours is short or not. Okay, so let's do it. So you pick some hairs from this side. I'll be looking this side because the mirror, anyway, I think it's just slightly next to the camera. You just pick some hairs and then you bring them all the way to that point. There, you see, up to that point, and then use your thing. This is what I'm going to be using to hold my hair. You can also use a hairband or this one, depends with what you find easy, or a string, a shoe, whatever you find easy. Just hold like that and drop first of all that way, and then let's hold this other side so that we can actually continue with this side, because that's not the end of it all. And then hold this other side. I'm going to be using the same things to hold the hair. This. Super long, but that's not an issue. Yep, and then you can actually choose to just stay like that. Then you apply some lip gloss. So that we can have screenshot of it's representing out. You can choose to stay like that, and then having let down some hairs at the back. I don't think I've let down enough, but you can always add more at the back. I don't think I've let down enough, but anyways, you can always let down more. So the next thing you do is you pick this one, you rotate it like that all the way to, I don't know where yours is reaching. Here's mine. It's going all the way to that point. So, and now you can actually rotate it from here. Make sure you've rotated it so that it gives you this cute look. You rotate and then you take it round there. I know by now most of you are already done rotating because Your hairs ain't as long as mine, but look at the way it's coming out. And so I expect yours to not be having so many, what do we call this, columns, or is it rows, whatever, stairs. And anyways guys, as we continue, look at that. Look at that. Look at the first outcome. So we go to the next one, you do the same thing. Actually, it's not so much to leave some hairs at the back. You can just choose to hold all the hairs up to that point. And as we continue, please like this video. Shares out there. Please tell someone about this channel. Talk to in the comment section. And by the way, I'm going to be placing in the description a bonus link to more tutorials. You can just click on it after this, and you're going to enjoy more. You'll be having a variety of styles for any day, work, school, just name them all. Anyway, let's go to the next one. Did I tell you to subscribe? Yeah, subscribe, because apart from those old previous, let's not call them old, just say previous videos. Oops. How did you do the first one? Oh my gosh. I'm going to be uploading more. Oh, this one we're going to put. Telling you guys. It's like the maths teacher coming to class. You're not being sure how to solve something. I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just getting tired. But then let me show you another way. Instead of the way we did this one, you see this way we did this way, you can choose to do the same, or instead of rotating, you let the hair be like this. Okay? Like this. Like you be like you're forming a messy bun. So it's upon you to decide which one you prefer. I've actually just thought of it right now. Yeah, so you can choose. If you do both sides like this, you'll be looking this way. You see? If you choose both sides like this, I don't know which one you prefer. Let me see. I prefer both for any day. I can choose to go in with this one, or I can choose to go in with this one. So it's upon you to decide which one you prefer. The same way you did, if you choose to choose A, you're going to do the same thing for this side. If you choose B, you're going to do the same thing for this other side, okay? Okay. Now which side? I'm confused. Which should I choose for today? Because I need to go up. I'm stepping out. I will decide, but mostly I'm thinking I'm going to go in with this one, with this style B, yeah, for today. But you can also go with this one, especially if you have one, I don't know, a fully just mini dress. It's good to go in with that one, or just let them be like that. Anyways guys, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I do really appreciate and love you. Please be blessed. I feel good. Na 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 na. So good. Da, da. So good. Check in the description that bonus link. Tell me which one you've chosen, A or B. Tell me, and then you can always click right here to watch more of my videos. I'll be placing a playlist, and also in the comment section, I think I'll also place a playlist for you guys so that you follow up with this series. Okay? Yep. Na 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 meaning. Like learning to fly or falling in love.
I'll be showing you more styles, by the way, as time goes by. Love you. See you in the next one.